Hello everyone. In this video, we'll see how you can set a receiving webhook URL for your WhatsApp Business API. So once you have logged in, click on Go to WABA, then click on this view icon, then click on Webhooks. Here you have the option of adding a new webhook. Kindly click on it. You need to enter a webhook title and a webhook URL. So for test purposes, I'm using webhook.site test URL. So I've copied this webhook URL and here I'm entering as test and I'm pasting the webhook. I need to click on add to webhook. So you can see that webhook is added and it is presently enabled. Now I'm sending a WhatsApp message to the connected WABA number, that is test. I have sent it from my mobile phone and you'll see the message has appeared in the webhook. Thank you.